The 2025 Audi RSQ8 is a stunning example of how Audi blends performance, luxury, and technology in one incredible package. This high-performance SUV is part of Audi's RS lineup, known for offering the perfect balance of power and sophistication, and the RSQ8 takes that to the next level. Today, we'll dive into everything that makes the 2025 RSQ8 stand out in the crowded world of performance SUVs. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi RSQ8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, which ensures that power is distributed efficiently to all four wheels for optimal traction and control. The RSQ8 can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. Whether you're on the highway or tackling winding mountain roads, the RSQ8 offers a driving experience that's hard to match. One of the standout features of the 2025 RSQ8 is its advanced suspension system. Audi's dynamic all-wheel steering system, combined with the adaptive air suspension, ensures a smooth ride, even on rough roads, while providing exceptional handling when you want to push the vehicle to its limits. The ride height can be adjusted, allowing the driver to choose between a more comfortable, elevated position or a lower, sportier stance for enhanced performance. When it comes to design, the 2025 RSQ8 is unmistakably Audi. It features a bold and aggressive front grille, large air intakes, and a sleek, sculpted body that exudes a sense of power and performance. The RSQ8 sits on 22-inch wheels, which not only add to its striking look but also enhance its stability on the road. The rear end features a full-width LED light strip and a quad exhaust system, emphasizing the vehicle's sporty character. Inside, the 2025 RSQ8 is a luxurious and tech-filled environment. The cabin is crafted with premium materials, including leather upholstery and carbon fiber accents, creating a sophisticated and high-tech atmosphere. The virtual cockpit display, along with a dual touchscreen MMI system, provides easy access to a host of features, from navigation to climate controls to entertainment options. The front seats are sporty yet comfortable, with ample support for both long drives and spirited driving. The rear seats are spacious, ensuring that passengers can enjoy the ride in comfort. Safety features are also a top priority in the RSQ8. The SUV comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies not only enhance safety but also contribute to a more relaxed driving experience, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the open road. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Audi RSQ8 comes in at a premium, with a starting price of around $120,000. But for that price, you're getting an SUV that offers an unparalleled combination of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, the 2025 Audi RSQ8